everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today this video is going to be about my newest DIY project, which is an abstract art painting that I did over the weekend. I figured why spend $500 to $1,000 on a huge painting when I can do one myself for less than $100. And so I am going to show you all how I did it. These are inspiration for my painting. I figured the easiest thing to do was to go for brush strokes, and so that is what I went for. I got my canvas size is a 48 by 60, and all of my supplies came from Michael's. They had the cheapest supplies out there. So we have your Gesso acrylic painting, as well as Artist Loft is the name of the brand. For the rest of the paint, I decided to keep it simple and do black, white, and gold. And the paint brushes came from Michael's as well. The cup I had on my own, these plastic, floor covering, as well as the tablecloth. I got that from my parents' house, so really didn't need a whole lot of supplies. So the very first thing I did was use the Gesso painting. After some research, I learned that this painting was great as a primer for any canvas. And I actually used an entire bottle. Again, this canvas is pretty huge, so I used the entire bottle, and I did begin to add the black brush strokes, but realized the painting was it was still too wet. And so I ended up going to the gym and working out for about an hour, letting the paint dry, and then came back to add the black brush strokes on them. With the brush strokes, I mean, there was no rhyme or reason. I wasn't necessarily trying to be neat. I was just letting the paint fall where it landed, and I didn't want to overwhelm the painting, so I tried to keep it as simple as possible. And then I added gold for just a nice effect because I felt like it was missing a little something. So here's the finished product. I think the painting came out way better than what I expected. I ended up getting gold duct tape to add around the edges just to kind of give an illusion of a frame because I didn't want to buy one. And I think it looks fine, it looks decent. So it actually inspired me to go home, do a little home decor shopping, and I'm actually redoing my entire apartment, so I'm excited to do an apartment tour for you all later on in the coming weeks. But if you like this video, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. Let me know what you think.